Hello, my name is Sam Vertismarsh. My app is called onetimepad Machine. I designed this website as a way to encode messages using one-time pads. The app's target audience is both my friends and people interested in cryptology. I used HTML to design the web page, Python to create the code, and PHP to make the Python code visible on the web page. While one-time pads are intended to be used with pure random ciphers, they work nearly as well with user-inputted ciphers. To encrypt, you enter in the message that you want to encrypt, and then you type in your cipher. And then you can copy it, enter in the cipher, and it even works in reverse. If you want to run this program for yourself, see the description for more information.